In this video, we will discuss how to create images using Stable Diffusion. First, we create a prompt with the help of GPT. Then we copy the prompt and paste it into the Stable Diffusion input section. This process takes some time, but eventually it generates an image of a lion behind the sun. You can download this picture by clicking on the download button. Similarly, there is another website called DALL-E. To use it, simply type in the website name in your browser and click on the first link. Users can create images on this website as well. We enter a prompt, click on the generate button, and after some time the website generates images based on our prompt. Through this video, we aim to help you understand the role of the prompt in creating images on platforms like ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, Bing Chat, and other similar websites.